Okay, a couple of people have asked me how did I build my own vacuum extractor. I did buy one on eBay, but it never turned up in time and I got impatient, so I ended up making my own. All you need is a vacuum, a 20-litre drum, a length of hose and a drill. First thing we do is we just drill a hole in here, about the size of your hose, so it's a nice reasonable fit. We want to push that all the way into the bottom, like down to here. Ideally you might use a piece of hose that's a bit straight, or you leave it out in the sun to straighten it out. So yeah, all the way into the bottom. Push that in. So about there, I'm guessing. I think it's just curling up. Let's have a look. Let's measure it. So about there, yeah. If it is bent, probably curve it towards the back here to help with some of the splash. So you get it to there. You just need a vacuum. I've just used a bit of foam. You could just use a bit of rag. Most vacuums will have flow control. I've just used the flow control. You might have variable speed control, or you can vary it by fiddling around up in here. If you're worried about too much oil going up in here, so this is just a touch, you could put a cloth on here or something like that. So we just shove that in there, like so. Open up our vent to full. Here's our bucket of water. So basically, we just turn our vacuum on. You can see the tank sucking in a bit. Probably means you've got a little bit too much suck. I don't actually have a speed variable on this vacuum, but speed variable would be good. You can see here, that's sucking away nicely. If it is sucking too hard, you might just ease it up a bit here with your adapter. There. And away we go, watch this. Your drum might suck in a bit, that means you probably just got a little bit too much suck happening. You can just bring that up a bit. There you go, all the water's going. That would be your oil. And once you sort of get to where you want, you can use this to suck around on the bottom of your tank. It's literally as simple as that, and it's straight into your drum, ready to be disposed of. Hope that helps.